This is your massage to daddy.
Yeah. This is just a play to tatay.
So you don't know how to massage.
Yeah. And you want to play with tatay, Mr. Chu. Uh-oh, stinky. Uh-oh, stinky.
Aray ko! Massage ba yan? Bigat mo?
April Fools.
April Fool's Day?
No.
What?
April Fools. April Fools.
Kala ko massage?
Prank si tatay eh.
Prank lang si tatay?
Tapos laro ko kay tatay. Sa gabi.
Mm. Aray ko, baba ka ng bigat mo. Aray ko.
Bigat. Lagi ako bigat eh. 40 kilos ako.
40 kilos.
Ay, hindi. 50 kilos. Ay, 1,000 kilos.
What pillows? Kilos.
1,000 kilos ako. How about infinity kilos?